Hello friends, now here it is question second of my assignment, that is describe the concept of hypothesis space in machine learning. Explain the algorithm find a hypothesis by find s for the following instance in training set. The train, as you can see in the question, we have given the table that is of origin, manufacturing, color, decade, type, class. Alright, it is over. Now the answer: hypothesis space H, a set of all candidate hypotheses that is learning algorithm may choose from. If each attribute can take a set of values, H is typically all possible conjunctions assignments to those attributes or a restricted subset. Example hypothesis: Japan, Honda, Blue, 1980, and economic. A conjunction that says predict positive if an instance exactly matches the attribute values. Alright, now find S algorithm summary. So goal: find a maximum specific hypothesis in H that is consistent with all positive training examples. Alright, initialize hypothesis H to the most specific hypothesis, usually all attributes set perpendicular or null. Then for each positive training example, generally H just enough so that it also covers this positive example. Ignore the negative examples and result the most specific hypothesis that covers all the positive examples seen. Then here you can see the apply find S on the training set step by step. We consider attribute in heavy order: origin, manufacturer, color, decade, and type. Start with the most specific hypothesis. 5. First example: positive, Japan, Honda, Blue, 1980, economic. Update H to match this. H is equals to Japan, Honda, Blue, 1980, economic. Alright, now the second example: negative, Japan, Toyota, green, 1970, sport, and ignore the negative example. Find S does not use negative. Alright, now the third example: positive, Japan, Toyota, Blue, 1990, economic. Compare with current H, that is, as you can see, origin Japan, West Japan, keep Japan, manufacturer Honda, West Toyota, conflict general to color blue, West Blue, keep blue. Then decade 1980, West 1990, conflict general to. Then here you can get Japan, you can see the space blue, then economy. Then fourth example: negative, USA, Chrysler, red, 1980, economic. Ignore negative value as earlier mentioned. Ignore the negative values. Then fifth, as you can see, it is positive, and Japan, Honda, white, 1980. Again the same, we will proceed ahead. Then we got the same. Then interpreter find S concludes predict positive if origin Japan and type economic, and ignore the other attribute. This hypothesis fit all the positive example and is as specific as find S could get given positive. Alright, then here are some limitation of the find S, that you can see. Ignore the negative as earlier mentioned, depend on the ordering example. Alright, only find a single most specific hypothesis. Alright, now here the second question over. Thank you.